Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're working on this 1.4 Vauxhall Mocha, which is the same engine that goes throughout the models like Corsa, Astra and whatnot. We feel a bit of misfire, car judders, engine light comes on, off intermittently. And the fault code we have, so let me just turn this vehicle off because it's quite noisy. So if you come around here, I'm using the Think Car 689BT, which is a brilliant piece of kit. We've got these fault codes come up, guys. So P0097, P00F4, all these, it all goes back to one fault, which is this, that links to this, which is called the MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. Now, if you're, obviously I've unplugged it for a reason because we've changed it, but prior to that we were getting all these fault codes and the car was misfiring, engine management light were on, fuel economy weren't the best as well. It does link back to a great amount of things, guys. You got to understand the MAF is very, it's the thing that kind of processes the whole fueling system, the power of the car. So what we have found out that this was all faulty. Now the owner had previously sprayed it with some electrical sprayer. That's a good start, I'm not going to argue. You can do that. If it helps, good, no problem, put it back on and move on. But reality is you have to do a full scan and clear and reset the adaptions to get a true reading. So in this case we have changed the sensor. We've confirmed that it is faulty because we've done a live data using the Think Scan tool. If we hit clear, we should hopefully get nothing left. Sometimes you do see you have to do another full scan, but reality is we shouldn't be left with any of these. But the point here is, guys, them fault codes are to do with the sensor here. In your case it may not be, so what I would recommend is doing a smoke test. Make sure there's no leak in the system, because they are known for manifold to pop, they're known for throttle sticking, I don't know, you name it. So it's always best to start off with the easy basic things, whereas in our case it was this, guys. I hope yours is too, so you're not having to spend a fortune. And I'm using this diagnostic tools. You can use any tool you like, guys, but in this game I've used this one.